There are certain money habits which you must follow to become rich. Don't even dream of achieving financial success without those money habits. These habits play the most crucial role in making a person rich. In this video, we will be revealing the top 7 money habits that could make you rich in 2023. So now let's start. 1. Keep tabs on your expenditures. You must understand where you are right now, especially where your money is going, in order to make any changes to your financial situation. I never kept track of my expenditures, so I used to wonder how I managed to run out of money every month. I was startled when I actually took the time to sit down and track my expenses. I discovered that eating out frequently and getting takeout cost me a significant portion of my money. I also discovered that all those little trips throughout the month were having a significant impact on my spending. Monitoring your expenditures might help you become more aware of where your money goes every month. It reveals where you're headed over budget and can assist you in creating a budget for the future. For me, keeping track of my spending made it easier to determine where I was coming from and what direction I wanted to go. It enabled me to be honest with myself about where I could make sacrifices as well as how much I could start putting toward my objectives if I did. 2. Prioritize your finances. People tell me all the time that they should be saving money, but they don't know how much to do it or how to go about doing it, despite the fact that they are aware of this. They don't really have the drive to act even if they did know. When you lack precise financial goals, this is what takes place. When you are truly unsure about your motivation for saving, it is far more difficult to do so. However, when you establish financial objectives, you are clear about your motivation for saving and the amount you must accumulate. For instance, if I know I want to spend $3,000 on a trip with my spouse the next year, I can calculate how much money I need to set aside each month to make that happen. Additionally, just thinking about achieving your objective will be enough to motivate you. You will have to write your goal on a paper and stick it to fridge or the window in your room. If you regularly see that goal and think about your progress, you will get extra energy to attain that. A quick tip: do subscribe our channel to get regular financial updates and also press the like button. 3. Establish a weekly money date. It's critical to monitor your finances. Once a week, I take some time to sit down and update my budget, keep track of all of my costs, and make any necessary adjustments. Every month, I also take some time to think and organize my budget for the upcoming month and wrap up my current budget. A fantastic method to keep track of your funds is to schedule frequent money dates with yourself. You won't forget it if you put it on the calendar. A regular money date can be used to discuss your family's finances if you share your finances with someone else. When my husband and I have money dates, we normally discuss our spending patterns from the previous month, any significant events that may be coming up in the following month, and any adjustments we're thinking about making to our finances. 4. Pay yourself first. I've been promising myself for years that I'll put all of my leftover cash from each month in savings. However, as the end of each month came around, I'd always find myself short on funds. After much searching, I discovered the answer to this dilemma: pay yourself first. Paying yourself first allows you to plan how much you want to set aside every month for your emergency fund, retirement, or other savings, as well as how much you want to put toward a specific financial objective. Then, as soon as you receive your paycheck and before you have an opportunity to squander it, you shift that money over to saves. The greatest approach I've discovered to achieve this is to automate my saves so that I never have to remind myself to do it. Again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 5. Budget 1 month ahead. Having a budget that is 1 month in advance is one of my favorite money-saving strategies. Most people base their budget on their income for the current month. So they pay their January bills with their January salary. However, if you are 1 month ahead of schedule with your spending, you may pay your bills for February using your salary from January. Budgeting in this way offers a ton of advantages. As an emergency fund, this 1 month cushion first functions as one. Furthermore, it aids you in avoiding the common practice of timing your expenses to your income. 6. Don't abuse your credit cards. Credit cards are great. Almost everything I buy is charged to a credit card. The majority of individuals are using credit cards improperly, which is the problem. First, a lot of individuals charge their costs to a credit card, which they subsequently settle with their earnings the following month. This implies that they are using money that they have not even received. Another bad behavior is using a credit card to make purchases but not paying the whole debt. Here are some general guidelines for responsible credit card use. Spending is limited to funds that are already in your checking account. Limit the use of your credit cards to less than 30%. Every month, pay the entire balance. 7. Pay down your debts more than the minimal amount due. It might be tempting to only make the minimal monthly payment required by your lender while you are in debt. As a result, you will have extra money each month to spend on other things. The issue is that in the long term, you wind up paying a lot more money. Depending on how much debt you have, paying it off sooner might save you hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars in interest. The sooner you finish paying off your debt, the sooner you will have that money available each month to allocate to other areas of your budget. Do not forget that having debt has additional drawbacks. Imagine you were looking to purchase a home. A lender will be hesitant to accept you for a mortgage if you have a lot of debt. Now we hope that you have learned the top money habits to get rich. If it is so, then do subscribe our channel for regularly getting videos similar to this, and also press the like button. We are really very happy that you watched the video till here. If you have any question or suggestion in your mind, then do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.